0.4 from the real numbers from class 9th. If A comma B are rational numbers, find the value of A and B each of the following equations. I will take the first one. Here first one is root 3 plus root 2 is divided by root 3 minus root 2 is equals to A plus B root 6. This is my equation. I will take the left hand side and I will simplify and compare with A plus B root 6 to get A comma B. That's all. Let us try with the help of LHS. LHS is equals to root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2, that is given in the left hand side. I told you clearly, every time rationalize the denominator to get the rational number in its denominator. To do this, I would like to take conjugate of my denominator, that is root 3 minus root 2, that is root 3 plus root 2. I told you clearly, take its positive of this number. Root 3 plus root 2 is a conjugate of my denominator and I multiplied and divide with the given LHS. So root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is multiply and divide with root 3 minus root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. This is the conjugate of root 3 minus root 2. By observing the denominator in the form of A plus B times A minus B, that is equals to A square minus B square. See here, A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Similarly, we can call it as A minus B times A minus B times A plus B is also equal to A square minus B square only. Keep in mind. So here we can write root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square, because this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B, that is equals to root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Very simple, Nana. In place of A I taken root 3 plus root 2. In place of B I taken root 2. Root 3 minus root 2. See, just compare with A and B and write it in the formula, that is root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. That's all. Square and square root get cancelled. Square and square root get cancelled. Okay. Now coming to the numerator. Numerator is repeated here. See here, root 3 plus 2 is in 2 times in multiplication. We can write root 3 plus root 2 whole square directly, because just like A times A, that is A square. Now we are coming to denominator. This is 3 minus 2, that's all. Now by observing root 3 plus root 2 whole square in the form of some A plus B whole square, this is very important algebraic identity, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. We can expand this by using this formula. Root 3 plus root 2 whole square is equals to root 3 whole square plus root 2 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2. Just I taken in place of A is equal to root 3. In place of B I taken root 2. That's all. Now I can write here root 3 whole square plus root 2 whole square plus 2 times root 3 times root 2. That's all. Now square and square root get cancelled. Square and square root get cancelled. 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 times root 3 into root 2 is nothing but, I would like to write it down here. Root 3 into root 2 is nothing but square root of 2 3s are 6, because these two are same order irrationals. So I will write it down here, root 6. So by simplifying this one, I got this answer. But this is equals to given, here I would like to write it down, root 5 plus root 5 plus root 5 plus 2 root 6 is equals to, here I have a plus b root 6. By comparing left hand side and right hand sides of this equation, clearly a is equals to 5, a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 2. This is the way to find the value of a and b from the given equations. You try the second problem at home.